Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming.
It's the beginning of week 2 of Healthy Hair February, and I'm starting with deep conditioning treatment on this particular wash day. So let's get right into the video.
I want to say thank you to all of you for the love that you've shown me. Your comments have been reading everything, and I'm very grateful. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos, watching the ads, and keep sharing my videos. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. Yeah, so for those of you who commented on my video that you wanted special coaching for your hair, okay, I asked you to DM me. Some of you have DM'd me. If you haven't, DM me and let's get started. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to tell you all you need to know about cholesterol treatment, and we're also going to review this Dark and Lovely ultra cholesterol intensive treatment for the hair. Okay, I'm going to tell you the story about how I came across this product and all that, but for now let's talk about cholesterol treatment. So cholesterol treatment for the hair is a type of treatment that incorporates ingredients that are rich in fats and oils for the hair. Okay, you know that our hair contains protein, fats and oils, and a right balance between these helps keep our hair healthy. Okay, cholesterol treatment, it restores and it repairs damaged hair. Okay, it restores the moisture in damaged hair, and it also retains moisture in your hair. Basically, it's more like a deep conditioning treatment. Okay, so you know that dry hair breaks. Okay, in my previous videos I always say it that dry hair breaks, damaged hair breaks, dehydrated hair breaks, and so as much as possible we want to retain moisture in our hair. So in retaining moisture in our hair, deep conditioning treatment retains moisture, and also moisturizing and sealing retains moisture. So for cholesterol treatment, it's more of a deep conditioning treatment that repairs and restores moisture into hair that is damaged, hair that is dehydrated, hair that is colored, relaxed hair. Yeah, that is mainly what cholesterol treatment does, and the overall aim of this is to stop breakage, to stop shedding, and to help maintain healthy hair. Okay, so it makes your hair, it brings out the natural oils in your hair, it maintains the natural shine in your hair, and it makes your hair very beautiful. Okay, you can do it as often as you want to do it till you achieve the healthy hair that you are looking for, and as often as you want. I don't mean every day or every other day, but every week till you achieve the healthy hair that you want. So I tried this last week, I loved how it is, and this week I'm going to try it. And once you achieve the healthy hair that you want, you can now do it once a month or twice a month, depending on how your hair feels. Okay, especially for those of you who like using heat on your hair. In Ghana, you can't really say you're going to go strictly without heat, because most of the time you don't even have time to wash your hair at home, so you have to go to the salon, and when you go, nobody has time to wait for your hair to air dry, so they'll put you under the dryer, and you know that is also heat. Okay, so a lot of heat here and there, and so if you know you apply heat to your hair often, then you need cholesterol treatment. Okay, I'm going to do this today. That's the second time, and I'll look at how my hair responds to it. Okay, because I love the first response, so I'll look at how my hair responds to it, then I'll see if I'm going to do it every other week or every other month. Okay, yeah, so let's review this product. Okay, so first of all, this is it. Okay, the Dark and Lovely ultra cholesterol mask. okay. I love the color, okay. It's this purple color. I really love purple. I mean, it's not my favorite color, but I love the color. And yeah, also let's open it. It smells very nice. It has this fruity smell. This is how it looks. So yeah, it has this fruity smell. It smells very nice, to be very honest. I don't know what else to say about the smell, because the smell is very nice. Yeah, even when you wash it out of your hair, this fruity smell stays in your hair, and it's not bad. It's not a very bad smell. So it's not that it's not a very bad smell. It's not bad at all. The smell is not bad at all. So I mean, it's nice to be in your hair. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, it has a very nice smell, and I'll say it's cheap, okay. It's not expensive, because I bought this for 20 cedis. I don't know, looking at the prices of hair products nowadays, I'll say it's fairly cheap, and yeah, it's affordable, okay. Let me say it this way, it is affordable. Yeah, and it's quite a lot, okay. I'm sure I'm going to use this for about maybe 5 or 6 wash days. Yeah, because it's quite a lot. I used like just a little the last time, and you can see that there's a lot in here. So yeah, so let me go ahead and wash my hair, okay. It says to wash your hair, and then you apply it and leave it on for 7 minutes if you want to do deep conditioning, and for instant conditioning you leave it on for 2 minutes, okay. So I'm going to wash my hair, then I'll come back and apply this on camera for you to see. We'll wait for the 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll see the final result, okay. The main reason why I even decided to do this video is that nobody recommended this to me. Actually, I just went to the shop. I was looking for a deep conditioner, and this is what was available, and so I read on it and I decided to buy it. And when I used it to wash my hair last week, this was the amount of hair that was coming out of my hair, okay. You see it over here, but this was the amount of breakage that I was experiencing. And a week after using it, this is the amount of breakage that I'm experiencing, and this is great difference, okay. This is a very great difference, and I'm very happy about it. And so that is what really motivated me to share this, okay. This video is not sponsored by Dark and Lovely, let me make it clear, but I'm just sharing because I have benefited from it, and I want you to benefit from it. So I'm done washing my hair. I t-shirt dried it, okay. So I'm going to section my hair and apply the conditioner, okay. So this is the treatment as I've shown you. See how it looks, and as I already said, it smells very nice. So let's start. Let me put it here. Dry my hair as I always do, and then after that I'll air dry my hair. I'm at home, I'm not going anywhere. I'll air dry my hair for a bit, then I'll blow dry my hair on cold heat, okay. Yeah, because how many weeks am I post relaxer? I'm almost 10 weeks or 12 weeks post relaxer. I'll check and then put it here. Yeah, and so I have to make sure that my hair is manageable. So guys, as you can see, I am done washing my hair and I've styled my hair. I applied my chibi butter as my moisturizer today, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay, I really love the Dark and Lovely cholesterol deep conditioner, and I'll recommend it to you because my breakage has greatly reduced ever since I started using it, and I'm also still going to see how my hair does with the new addition to my regimen. Okay, so feel free to try it out and let me know if you like it. If you've used it before and you loved it, let me know. If you didn't love it, let me know. And if you have other products that help with hair breakage and you'd want me to try, or you've heard about and so you want me to review the products, let me know. Okay, and yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, it's bye.